SAP PM Online Training, Complete Career Guide. SAP PM Online Training with Proexcellency. SAP PM Online Training, Complete Guide and Career Opportunities. SAP Plant Maintenance, PM, is one of the most important modules that help organizations manage maintenance activities efficiently, ensuring smooth operations and reduced downtime. Proexcellency offers SAP PM online training for professionals who want to master maintenance processes, work order management, preventive and corrective maintenance, and integration with other SAP modules like MM, PP, and FI. The trainers who have practical experience will provide training that will involve the exercise of all activities in practical and case study methods to promote better learning. We train people in equipment management, maintenance notification, breakdown handling, and scheduling work to acquire complete knowledge about the functionalities of SAP PM. Flexible schedules help us to reach working professionals more easily. We use our live interactive sessions coupled with real-time project-based scenarios to ensure the knowledge can be effectively applied in the actual business environment. Additionally, we guide the candidate towards certification and provide them with preparatory knowledge on SAP PM certification exams. The course is thus beneficial for the SAP consultants, maintenance engineers, and IT professionals in developing their skills set and career prospects. Become hand-on proficient with SAP PM. Join Proexcellency's online training for steady career growth. Enroll today to become one of the SAP PM experts. What is SAP PM? SAP PM stands for SAP Plant Maintenance. It is a core functional module of SAP ERP and SAP S/4HANA designed to help organizations plan, execute, monitor, and control maintenance activities related to physical assets such as machines, equipment, tools, buildings, utilities, and entire production plants. In every organization, physical assets are essential for smooth daily operations. Machines and equipment must function properly to ensure continuous production, safety, and profitability. Over time, due to regular usage and environmental conditions, assets experience wear and tear, which can lead to breakdowns, performance issues, and unexpected downtime. SAP PM provides a structured and automated approach to maintenance management by enabling organizations to plan preventive maintenance, manage breakdowns efficiently, track maintenance history, and control maintenance costs. It helps shift maintenance from a reactive approach to a more proactive and preventive strategy, ensuring better asset reliability and longer equipment life. Overall, SAP PM helps organizations reduce downtime, optimize maintenance processes, improve asset performance, and increase operational efficiency, making it a critical module for asset-intensive industries. Why SAP PM is important? SAP PM, SAP Plant Maintenance, is important because it helps organizations keep their machines, equipment, and plants running efficiently with minimum downtime. In today's competitive business environment, even a small machine breakdown can lead to production loss, high maintenance costs, safety risks, and delays in delivery. SAP PM solves these problems by providing a systematic and controlled maintenance process. SAP PM allows companies to plan preventive maintenance in advance, which helps in avoiding unexpected breakdowns. Instead of repairing machines only after failure, organizations can identify issues early and take corrective action before serious damage occurs. This leads to longer equipment life and better asset performance. Another key reason SAP PM is important is cost control. It helps organizations track labor costs, spare parts usage, and maintenance expenses, enabling better budgeting and financial planning. By reducing emergency repairs and downtime, companies can significantly lower operational costs. SAP PM also improves safety and compliance by ensuring that machines are regularly inspected and maintained according to industry standards and regulations. This reduces the risk of accidents and improves workplace safety. Types of maintenance in SAP PM. 1. Preventive maintenance is planned and scheduled maintenance performed at regular intervals to prevent equipment failures. It helps identify potential issues early and avoid unexpected breakdowns. Examples include routine inspections, servicing, and replacements. 2. Breakdown maintenance is unplanned maintenance carried out after equipment failure. It focuses on restoring the equipment to working condition as quickly as possible. This type of maintenance is usually costly due to emergency repairs and downtime. 3. Corrective maintenance is performed to correct identified defects or improve equipment performance. It may be done after inspections or minor failures to prevent major breakdowns in the future. 4. Predictive maintenance uses condition monitoring and performance data to predict equipment failures in advance. Maintenance is performed only when required, helping reduce unnecessary maintenance activities and costs. Features of SAP PM Online Training. 1. Live instructor-led training. Learn from experienced industry experts through interactive live sessions, allowing you to ask questions and clear doubts in real time. 2. Real-time project scenarios. Training includes practical examples and real-time project simulations to help you understand how SAP PM is used in actual business environments. 3. SAP S/4HANA System Access. Students get hands-on access to the SAP S/4HANA system, enabling them to practice technical objects, work orders, notifications, and maintenance planning. 4. Flexible batch timings. Online classes are scheduled at different times to suit working professionals and students, making it easy to learn without disrupting your routine. 5. Recorded sessions. All live sessions are recorded so you can revisit lessons anytime for better understanding and practice. 6. 24/7 learning support. Continuous support is provided through email, chat, or discussion forums to help you solve any learning-related issues. 7. Certification guidance. Guidance is provided for SAP PM certification, helping students prepare for industry-recognized credentials. 8. Placement assistance. Training institutes offer placement support including resume building, interview preparation, and job opportunities in SAP PM roles. Benefits of learning SAP PM. Learning SAP PM, SAP plant maintenance, offers numerous benefits for professionals and freshers alike. One of the primary advantages is the high demand in the job market, as organizations across industries such as manufacturing, oil and gas, power plants, automotive, and pharmaceuticals require skilled SAP PM professionals to maintain and manage their assets efficiently. Gaining expertise in SAP PM also opens the door to excellent career growth and competitive salary packages, with opportunities to work as SAP PM consultants, maintenance planners, functional analysts, or project leads. By learning SAP PM, professionals acquire industry-relevant and practical skills, including maintenance planning, handling notifications and work orders, preventive maintenance, and integration with SAP MM and SAP FICO. These skills not only enhance your technical knowledge but also make you a valuable asset to any organization. Additionally, SAP PM knowledge provides global career opportunities, as these skills are recognized worldwide, allowing professionals to work in countries such as India, the Middle East, Europe, and beyond. SAP PM also offers job security, as maintenance is a critical function in every asset-intensive industry. Professionals trained in SAP PM are better prepared to handle equipment issues, optimize asset performance, reduce downtime, and control maintenance costs. Furthermore, learning SAP PM improves your understanding of operational processes, helps in long-term career development, and prepares you for advanced roles like senior consultant, maintenance manager, or SAP project lead. Overall, mastering SAP PM enables professionals to build a stable, high-paying, and rewarding career while contributing significantly to the operational efficiency of organizations. Career opportunities after SAP PM. After completing SAP PM, SAP plant maintenance training, professionals have a variety of career options in industries such as manufacturing, automotive, oil and gas, power, utilities, pharmaceuticals, and chemical industries. Key roles include SAP PM consultant, who helps organizations implement and configure SAP PM processes, maintenance planner, who schedules and manages daily maintenance activities, functional analyst, who bridges business requirements and SAP solutions, and asset management specialist, who optimizes the lifecycle and performance of equipment. With experience, professionals can advance to senior roles such as senior consultant, project lead, or maintenance manager, handling large-scale SAP PM implementations and mentoring junior team members. SAP PM skills are highly valued across the globe, providing opportunities to work in India, the Middle East, Europe, and other countries. Professionals in this field enjoy competitive salaries, job stability, and long-term career growth, making SAP PM a rewarding career choice for both freshers and experienced candidates. Why SAP PM Online Training with Proexcellency? Proexcellency provides exhaustive SAP PM online training for professionals who aspire to develop mastery over SAP plant maintenance, PM, and career development. This is led by industry experts with real-world experience. Therefore, learners can acquire practical knowledge of maintaining processes, work orders, preventive and corrective maintenance, as well as equipment management. Hands-on exercises, real-time project scenarios, and interactive sessions provided by the course ensure participants can confidently work with SAP PM functionalities. Flexible training schedules are available, enabling professionals to balance learning commitments with their job requirements. Live instructor-led sessions ensure a highly engaging, interactive learning experience with the option for questions and subsequent expert guidance. Besides that, we provide SAP PM certification support. Therefore, trainees are well equipped for their certification exams, which boosts career prospects. Other integration with modules such as MM, PP, and FI is covered to ensure an overall understanding of the role of SAP PM in the business process. Whether you are a consultant, a maintenance engineer, or an IT professional, you will be well equipped with the know-how to dominate SAP plant maintenance through online training in SAP PM by Proexcellency. Join us today and become an SAP PM expert. Start your SAP PM career with Proexcellency. If you are planning to build a career in SAP PM, now is the right time. Contact Proexcellency today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.